Hello guys, this is the first look of Awaken OS Android version 13 and security update December 5. As you can see, this is how the multitasking looks, and in Play Store you go in setting about and you can see the device is certified, and this is the how power menu looks, and this is how the notification shade looks. As you can see, it is as Android 13 style, and you get many tiles. You can choose whatever you like. And this is how the app drawer works. You get the Google Pixel unlimited storage in Photos app. And the device Bluetooth is also working, as you can see. Also, Wi-Fi is working absolutely fine. In setting, you can see all the extra options in Wi-Fi network. These are the options in connected device, Bluetooth, in apps, all the install apps, in notification. These are the options in battery. You can change the icon style of battery. In sound and vibrations, you can change the vibration and haptics. In sound enhancer, you get direct option pre-enabled. In display, you get dark theme. Double tap to wake. And security, fingerprint also works fine. Double tap to wake also works absolutely fine. Camera is AOSP camera. Gcam is also available, link in the description. Thank you for watching. Peace.